we're going to talk about technology, real technology. Our atmospheric sun is within the atmosphere. You know, when we took that, we can get on the plane, go up in the air, and you damn near pass directly by the sun. I mean, we was flying right past the sun. That's our atmospheric sun. All right, it's plasma. It's pure plasma energy. All right, and it provides plasma energy for our planet and for our plasma-based bodies. All right, got to remember that we are plasma beings. All right, made from triple black darkness. All right, this is who we are as the original beings of this world. We're plasma energy beings made from triple black darkness. Our sun is pure plasma. Our moon is pure plasma. And the moon and the sun feeds our bodies and our planets and all the animals and the plants with plasma energy. All right. Hence the reason why we must understand the technology that is within us. All right. That's our atmospheric sun. We have what you call a universal sun, was, you know, of course they've already did the measurements, and you know, so many of our folk don't understand what do they mean. 93 million miles away. 93 million miles away. It's actually 94 million miles away. They don't want to give you the actual numbers. It's 94 million miles away. 94 million miles away represents 9 plus 4 is 13, represents cosmic order. So our universal sun is 94 million miles away. All right. And within our universal sun, all right, they're saying 1.3 million planets of Earths, all right, can fit inside of the universal sun, which is how big it is. All right. So we have atmospheric moons. We have 2 atmospheric moons. We have 2 atmospheric suns. All right. And we have a universal sun, but yet still we have a universal moon. All right. The universal moon is Isis. The universal sun is Ra. All right. All right. This is pure technology. Excuse me now. This is pure technology. All right. So our universal sun is made of triple black darkness. Triple black darkness is nothing but pure technology. All right. This is why it's important for us to understand who we are as the original beings. Each one of us so-called black people are celestial deities. All right. If you go back and you look at the old pictures of ourselves, because we painted old pictures of ourselves, all right, and you could see who we were, all right, and we were always into technology. I mean, that was the key point. We were always into technology, all of us. You know, you never saw any older pictures of us that we made of ourselves standing on a stage doing comedy, you know, standing in front of a microphone doing rap. All right. You never saw any of us walking around in uniforms as police officers. All right. You never saw any of that. What did you see? You saw us linked into different types of technologies. You saw us in the arts. You know, you saw us in the scope of the field of science. All right, this is what you saw us doing. All right, we were always working in conjunction with science and technology. You always saw us into mathematics. All right, we depend upon the sun to increase our levels of technology. All right. They talk about the aurora borealis, which is that energy, that the pure solar and lunar energies. It's a solar and lunar energy. All right. Because right beside our sun, our universal sun is a universal moon. All right. Everything is masculine and feminine. And they both send out massive amounts of pure energy to the planet. You can't have a masculine without a feminine. Ra is the masculine and Isis is the feminine. All right. And understand what's going on, my brothers and sisters. So because of the technology, the structures and towers that we had built on the planet, that allowed that energy, what they call the aurora borealis, that pure energy, that greenish, bluish, yellowish energy. All right, you got to understand that green, the blue, and the yellow, and all those are different gases. All right, very powerful gas, especially the green, which is krypton. Krypton is an extremely powerful gas that takes our bodies to a whole new level of energy and power. All right. So when they told you in the movie Superman that Krypton was Superman's weakness, the real Superman, Krypton is the real Superman's strength. All right. So you got to understand what they do. Everything that they put out there is a lie. You have to literally sort through everything. You have to go into your own celestial mind to find the truth. So what we are looking at right now, brothers and sisters, is the fact that we must tap into this ancient technology in order for us to gain the powers that we need. This is why we're talking about technology all the time. All right. This is why we're talking about technology. So when we link into that superior energy and power, they call it magic, but it's nothing. It's all natural for us. This is natural. This is supposed to happen for us all over the planet. All right. This is all natural. So we must be able to link into the all natural energies and powers that belong to us. All right. We always were building and creating structures. This colossal planet, we had more than enough room. All right. To build and create, and the trillions of years, actually not the trillions of years, the quintillion amount of years that we've been on the planet, all this so-called time that we've been on the planet, all these energy cycles, as we build, what happens? The planet expands. All right. And that's the whole key point of us understanding that everything is perfectly imperfect. So it seemed like when we start to use up space on the planet, when we started to use up space on the planet, what happened? A planet expanded. Because why? Our planet is technology. And we're technology. Our atmospheric sun is technology. Our atmospheric moon's technology, you know. Our universal sun is technology. Our universal moon is technology. So we must understand that the technological energies that's within us is designed for us to increase in power. All right. Now we've got beings here that come here on this page here who have a mistaken identity and think that they're us, but they're not us. All right. I'm just letting you know you're not who we are. I don't care how much you have this idea that you want to be a part of us. You have this idea that you want to be a part of us, but you are not us. All right. So you come up with this brother and this, and I'm this. I mean, this one inorganic being, when I did the video about we are the master programmers, this one inorganic being posted on here, and I mean, I'm looking at her and I'm like, you're not us. And she says, I am the master programmer. I'm like, you have these beings who want to be us and want to be a part of us, but they're not us. We are this triple black darkness. And we were created directly from nature to be that.